Hobbies. Hobbies. Reading. I like to read before I sleep. I love to read history books and short stories. Action and adventure. Classics. Comic books or graphic novels. Detective and mystery. Fantasy, horror. History. Romance. Science fiction. Short stories. Suspense and thrillers. Autobiographies. Sports. I love to play basketball. I play basketball with my friends after school. Mark and Neil play handball together twice a week. My sister plays tennis in the tennis court. Tom plays football every Friday after school. We play volleyball every weekend. My son plays ping pong, table tennis. He is a very good player. I love to swim. I swim in the sea or in the lake. I'm a good swimmer. Football, baseball, basketball, bowling, boxing, cricket, cycling, golf, horse racing, ice hockey, rugby, running, skateboarding, swimming, handball, tennis. Languages. I love to learn new languages. I speak 2 languages and I want to learn more. Chinese, Spanish, English, Hindi, Arabic, Portuguese, Bengali, Russian, Japanese, Urdu. To sing. We like to sing. We sing together. I like to cook. I like to invite my friends to eat what I cook for them. John loves to scuba dive. He is not afraid of sharks. I love to travel and see the world. I think it is great fun.